Danni Auch from Health Success Coaching.
If you improve your communication, you improve your life.
Well, I just completed the 7-day course with Danni. It was just this amazing experience. It's opened my mind, it's opened my eyes, and it's opened my heart. And I've got just all these amazing tools now to bring into my life and to work on and to make myself a better person.
Rapport means we actually understand each other.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I've just spent a week here on NLP practitioner training course, so thank you, Danni. NLP is really opening up your mind to become excellent in communication. I'm in business myself and I've learned some amazing techniques.
Letting go of negative emotions, what we want to do, we're going to detach an emotion from a memory.
I learned another technique, timeline therapy. Oh, it's wonderful. I had some negative emotions coming in here in my own life, and I've cleared all that. So I actually feel very equipped now to go out there and talk to my clients a lot better and find out what they need.
And every time you revisit a memory, it's changing.
Now think about it, are they like you or are they like you want to be?
So highly recommend this course. Yeah, you've got to do this. And thanks again, Danni.
It's a trigger what comes from the past.
It's all about increasing choice, increasing wholeness.
Join us for this life-changing NLP training. You will gain outstanding skills to elevate your personal life and to boost your business career.